Portland Leather Goods Review: Real quality or just hype? Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a brand that's been everywhere lately: Portland Leather Goods. You've seen the ads, the mystery boxes, the cold brew leather obsession, but is it actually worth your money? Is it real full grain leather or just clever marketing wrapped in a pretty tote? Let's talk leather. Portland claims to use full grain leather, and they're not lying. You'll see scars, stretch marks, and natural grain. That's a good thing. It means the leather hasn't been sanded down or coated with plastic. Full grain leather is the top tier. It ages beautifully, develops a patina, and lasts for years. Portland's leather is vegetable tanned in many cases, which is more eco-friendly and gives that rich, natural look. Let's talk style. I tried the crossbody tote and the circle bag and the Naomi shoulder bag, and these aren't luxury designer bags, but they're stylish in a minimalist earthy way. They pair well with jeans, linen, and neutral tones. Functionality wise, they're solid. The totes are roomy, the zippers are smooth, and the straps are comfortable. But if you're expecting buttery soft leather and polished edges like Coach or Fossil, you might be underwhelmed. Here's where Portland leather may really shine: value. For under $100, you can get a full grain leather tote that looks good and holds up. The mystery boxes are steel if you're okay with a few imperfections. Almost perfect means you might get a bag with a scratch, an even dye, or a quirky zipper, but honestly, most flaws are barely noticeable. It's a great way to save money if you're not picky. So, is Portland leather goods worth the hype? If you want authentic leather with character and you're not chasing perfection, yes. These bags are charming, durable, and age beautifully. But if you're looking for high-end polish or luxury branding, you might want to look somewhere else. Think of Portland leather as the artisanal coffee shop of bags, not flashy but full of soul.